Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Welcome to the film session. Carling Plate level final between Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants, right? Quick preview, I'm going to show you what these teams normally do. After 15 games, plus 15 games, both these teams have played 15 games, right? Whether it's in the league or cup games. Most teams, you definitely know what they're going to do. I'm going to show you the Pirates and I'm going to show you Marumo, right? I don't think Undlonzo is going to play, so there's a guy that they like putting second half, ne? Very dangerous player. I'm gonna start Marumo Gallants. Let's go. This is a game between Marumo and Pirates, right? Marumo won this game. They get the ball to the left-hand side. Left-hand side, cross, inside. Yeah, winning game like Marumo. Just like this, last minute. This guy came in as a replacement substitute. Very dangerous. They get the ball to the right hand side, bring it in, Pagat. And we all know with the Pirates and crosses, they are not delicious. The second clip, very similar, right? Get the ball to the right. You see this guy, Clifford. He doesn't play as a target man. He's good on the ball. I don't know why Angadali is a target man. Pagat, inside. That's simple. If they are close to the box, Balzala, on top of the defenders. Very good. Very. Umnandu guy. But I don't know why they don't play him as a target man. But I don't question the coach which why I'm Dali lab. Because he's delivering on the side. On the right, play it long. Laying sure if they are close to the box. Against the Pirates, they played the ball here. But because they are far from the box, they don't need to play the ball here. Take him on. Inside. The last clip here, Marumo, right? Normally when they play against big teams, they don't press in front, right? They like to play a low block or a mid block. But in this video, it was their last game against Imakis. So they were pressing high. Shows a good coach who has Guti. Against a high quality team, I can't do that. But because the standards are the same, now I'm going to press. The danger man again. This guy, Rafid. But Abu Makesi, that first touch there, So if they're going to press, Pirates must not lose the ball because look what happens. That finish, this guy is going to be the danger man of Marumo. If Undlonzo doesn't play, because in this game, Bebam keeper, he got injured. So if he starts, then it's more danger for you Pirates. Now, you Orlando Pirates. What I'm going to show you is something that they've been doing the whole season. Right? Even their last game, they did it. Right? I'm going to show you what they did against Marumo. And if they concede this way, then I don't know, Guti, what are these coaches watching? Huh? Marumo Gallants versus Pirates. Marumo a winner, right? This was a bad press, and it okay, sharp. Quality team, like I said, you don't press in front. Long pass, long diagonal pass. This is what they do. The Pirates, they don't mind playing a long diagonal pass. And if you are playing a low block or an press or an Emile, they don't mind playing it. They did it against Marumo. Even the goal, I'll show you the goal now. They don't mind. This team doesn't mind. Let me show you a different angle. A different angle. Bah. You cannot have Uhoto running down as a left winger, running down the right back. No, you can't. Because now this is Uhoto left back, this is the right back. Now this is the left winger, Pirates. You understand? Now it's like 2 against 1. If you don't win the first ball, it's okay. You have to win the second ball. Because if you don't win the second ball, you're in trouble. You are in trouble. Now let me show you the goal. Not Axis Katesite. Let me show you the goal. In this game they didn't land. In 2 minutes they did it by 2. Now watch. Ba. Hoto. Cross. Inside. Nyapinda foot. If you don't win the first ball, it's okay. It's okay. But the second ball, you have to win it because we are in trouble. You are going to be in trouble. You cannot let, yes, they're going to play a diagonal pass. They are going to play it. If you jump, let's say I'm the right back, whoever is picking up Uhoto. If I jump, I have to win it. For a throw in or gupigu. It must not come inside. That ball must not come inside. One more clip. The last game, Durban City versus Orlando Pirates. Hoto was not playing. So if Hoto does not play, they are not going to play diagonal pass to the left back. Because that I don't know his name. That boy is not that tall. He's not good in the air. Right? But they are definitely going to play the ball long. Because they played it in this game, Uhoto Angef. Uhoto is going to play. Unless maybe Petro chicken pox, Petro isisu, or whatever. They're not going to change. Long pass. What happens? Now it reaches Umufuke. If you don't win the first ball, you have to win the second ball, guys. You have to win the second ball. The left back, what? Benzani, he makes a run, cross, inside. I am 100% sure Pirates is going to play a diagonal pass. I am 100% sure. In all the games, they do that. They play. It's their team. It's their way of playing. Yes, they have many weapons to kill you, but one of their strategies is to play that ball. I'm not wearing flag because I'm supporting a Pirates. No, but my prediction is Pirates is going to win the game. I don't know by how many goals. Do I want Pirates to win? No, I want football to be the winner. Right? Do the right thing. Make me win. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. Thank you for watching.